Hey guys, we'll be back again in our 7th tutorial videos in PHP programming with OSP Pro. Now in this video, simply for constants, I'm just going to ask someone a question. What's constants and what are they and why do we use them in a program? Now, well, the question is a bit kind of funny or fine, but then the answers are more. Now let me know what constants simply refers. This refers to its kind what known as information or variables you may define in your program. I don't want to continue you repeat typing them again since they're the same information. Just like give us simple life example. If I told you you know very well maybe pi. Now pi has been always there 3.14 something like that. It will always not change. Actually it's always like that. That's how it is, you know, like the gravity of the gravity of the earth, which is actually 10 or 9.9. Now you'll find that they are constant, that if at all we are to continue using them in the program, they'll continue constantly. So a constant simply refers to those information or those programs that for them we shall continue using them in the program, but definitely they'll not change. That's what we'll simply talk about in the constants. And in PHP, the constants are always given in a function, and we define them by using one known as define. And then we try to one known as define. We define them inside a function like that. You get, whereby I'll give you the parameters taken to be to make up a constant, whereby the first one is going to be the name of the constant, talk of the value of the constant, and then talk of the key sensitiveness. Is it key insensitive? Something like that. No, key insensitive in the program. So fine. Let's go and do into reality. What can you define at the moment? Now I said first give the name of the program. Now give assumption. If I say maybe day, that's it. That's the name of the whatever the name of the constants. Then maybe I say here maybe welcome home. Well. To welcome today, something funny. You just make something funny, welcome today, and after writing it, remember that's the name I happen to write in the program. Now if you happen to see I said with a constant, you can always give a name, value, and a key sensitive. Now for this parameter I will simply say we have the name and have the value but don't have the key sensitive. How will it treat for us in the program? Now this is how the program will be treated. If I happen to come and say here that echo, what will I tell the program to echo for me at the moment? It is the day, because that's the name I happen to give in the program or in our program. So if you happen to cross check this on the browser, how will it try to test for us? It will try to tell us that welcome today. Now the point is this, that whenever you happen to give without having the key sensitiveness, it will only be basing on that kind of the letters you happen to give. How about if I happen to come back here on the program and I talk about key sensitiveness is true. Just going to use small letters, sorry for that, true. So if you happen to say key sensitiveness true, if I happen to write in capital letters and I save the program and I compile the program here, how will it take us? How will it take the program? Is very okay. And how about if at all now at the moment the letters I happen to write here is maybe small letters? Check that. You'll discover that there's nothing will change, which is the difference from it will be different from if at all I happen to remove take it back, I remove this key sensitiveness or key insensitive and I turn this one back into the other reality. How would it try to tell us, or how would it take us to be in the time when it happened to run, to actually tell us use of undefined constant day? So guys, that's how we can always define a constant inside your program. Maybe another thing that I happen to tell maybe at the moment, how can it write a constant as a global? So constants automatically global and can be used across entire string or across entire program. A script of yours, if at all how to maybe you have the entire page, you can always use the constant as long as you include the functions in the program. Now give assumption in this program over here we have that what we have today, and then I don't maybe echo this at the moment. If I want to turn this information of ours, the constant we have, into one known as a global. Remember I said the constants are ever global. You can type around all this, the script you have, as long as you type come in here and say maybe function. And which function am I going to try to talk at the moment? Function, you can declare anything. Maybe OSP is your function, and if you write a function, always open a function like that. Now here you wrote a function OSP, and this is your this is kind of confusing, but you'll get to understand. Remember last time we just used to say there now that we just used to say echo for us a day, which is the name here, but now here I'm using a function. You type anything can be function. Let me just say something. Please guys, don't get confused there. Function, you can type here anything, just like something. And here I'm not going to give any parameter at the moment. Then inside my function, that's when I'm going to be calling the information which is there. Now this one is going to make this program of mine global. Okay, how will it go and be global? By if the time when I happen to come back in the program here and I say echo for me my function, whereby I will type OSP. Also, it's not OSP, something. Remember, it is our function that we happen to write in the program. So whenever I happen to call down here, it's going to make this information entire I have inside the program to be global. So that's how we always write a function in program, especially in PHP. So that's it. So when you happen to run this program, still to print for us the same statement that we expected initially to be giving us down. So guys, please, that's how we always deal with the constants, and don't forget how to use them. And don't forget, please guys, members, to subscribe to OSP channel. I love you all guys, love you all. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.